Hello, in this video I will show you how you can change keyboard language on Redmi 15C. So first of all, open the settings. From here, go to additional settings. Go to languages and input, and in the input methods, open manage keyboards. Tap on the Gboard, and here you can find languages. Now you just simply have to add your language by clicking add keyboard, and from here you can select language that you want. So let's take Polish for example. Also you can enable multilingual typing over here and click done. Now if you want to remove some language from here, tap on this pencil in the top right corner, select language that you want to remove, and click trash bin icon over in the top right corner. Now let's go to web browser and open the keyboard. And now as you can see, I have Polish keyboard over here and I have Polish signs. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.